Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look. And this eye look is super easy and beginner friendly. So we're just going to get right into the video. I hope you're going to enjoy. Now the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids like always. You don't have to use the specific one that I'm using, but this is my personal favorite. It's the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. If you don't have it, you can also use some concealer or of course any eyeshadow primer that you personally like. Then after that I used a little bit of powder for underneath the eye area, some loose powder, because I was gonna go in with some shimmers today and I did already apply my face makeup, so I wanted to make sure that if I have some fallout I can just wipe it away. So I started with this color right here. I will put the name of the palette in the description bar. It's by Blend Bunny Cosmetics. This is kind of like a matte light turquoise kind of shade. A minty blue. Really pretty, really nice for summertime. And I mean summer is around the corner. I was actually having a vacation with my man and my child. He took 2 weeks off from work. So we went to a park in the Netherlands, which was so nice. The weather has been amazing in the Netherlands. It already feels like summer, to be honest. So I am really already in the summer vibe. But I do have to say, currently it's raining. So after using that minty shade all over the eyelid, I went in with this shimmery color, which is so beautiful. I don't know if you have ever tried eyeshadows from Blend Bunny Cosmetics, but their eyeshadows are super nice. The matte shades blend out beautifully and the shimmers are always super pigmented and just gorgeous when you apply it on the eyelid. Now after that I removed the loose powder and the fallout wasn't too crazy, thankfully. I used that same color that I used in my crease and now used it for underneath the lower lash line. And I'm using a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty. You can use my code on Knook and this will give you a discount on Sigma Beauty, the website, which is an affiliate code. But I'm just using this all the way underneath the lower lash line, now blending it out with a tiny E25 brush from Sigma as well. And just blending this shade, going back and forth, nothing kind of like special. Once I'm going more towards the outer portion of the eyelid, I also blend it a little bit upwards. Then now I'm going to go in with a light nude color for in the waterline. I'm using this one from Charlotte Tilbury. You can also use like a turquoisey kind of shade or any color that you like, but I wanted to keep it a little bit nude, so I went in with this one, and this will kind of brighten up the eyes, make them appear a little bit bigger. And you know, for myself, I have kind of like redness into my waterline, so this will just kind of work as a concealer and balance out all the redness and make it look more fresh. So now I'm going to go in with this lash curler. I'm actually not going to go in with any false lashes today. In almost every video I use false lashes, and I kind of want to mix it up by doing like more neutral eye looks where I only use mascara and some with lashes. And here's my son. Haven't shown him in a while on my channel. He's growing so quick and he's just the sweetest boy. I love him so much. So now I'm gonna go in with this mascara from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I love this mascara. It actually has become one of my favorites. It kind of reminds me of the Roller Lash mascara from Benefit, which I still really like. But this one is less expensive, and I love showing you guys less expensive options because makeup can be quite expensive and mascara is a product that you have to repurchase over and over, so it's really nice if you can find like a low budget product for this. So then I went in with some brow gel. I realized I forgot to use that. And this is already the last step actually. So I really hope you all enjoyed watching this more easy and quick beginner friendly eye look. Let me know if you want to see more and what kind of shades do you want me to use for those easier eye looks. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you guys are doing. If you have any specific like questions for me, leave them down in the comment section. And hopefully I can chat to you soon. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.